Hi, Wade Galt with Smart Bonus Systems here. In this video, we're going to talk about paying your property and casualty, your P&C growth experts, or you might also call them your auto and fire growth experts. Some people call them their acquisition specialists, however you want to word that. These are the people that are looking to bring in new auto and homeowners and other fire business to your agency. Now, there are two different ways that a person can go into this job. One is where a person's straight commission only. I'm going to call that a rainmaker, and that's a different type of compensation agreement. This is the person that for a lot of the multi-line agencies happens more often, where the person part of their time is doing a little bit of service work or a little bit of reactive work, and they're also soliciting business as well. So when we look at the components of the bonus plan, the first thing, similar to the retention expert if you saw before, is there's a base salary because they're going to be involved somewhat in retaining existing business, some benefits to reduce undesired turnover, and we want per product bonuses so they will close the sale when they are making their sales. We want their salary range to be market range. The same salary is going to apply basically whether a retention expert or an auto fire or a P&C growth expert, or if they're a multi-line review expert, same area. We also want them to have a lapse rate or retention bonus so that they're helping us keep clients longer. Now, different from the retention expert, they're going to get a little bit less for this than the retention expert does. We suggest the retention expert gets up to about $300 per month. The auto fire growth expert is going to get this person about $150 a month at most if your agency lapse rates are where you want them to be and you're retaining clients as best as possible. We want to make sure they have a policy growth bonus, that they're seeing that as the agency grows, they're participating in that. They usually will be more than engaged in this if you simply put $1 per policy on a monthly basis for net growth, and they can see it on their paycheck. We also want to make sure they're getting the team target bonus, so when the team does well and the team hits certain levels, that they're getting rewarded for that and getting compensated up to the tune of about $300 per month. The main focus for them is going to be auto and fire sales target bonuses. So as they're able to hit their targets of selling and soliciting auto and fire insurance, I want them to be able to make as much as up to $500, $1,000, $1,500 a month because they're making sales happen. Now, of course, those bonuses would depend on what level of premium they're doing and how much they're issuing. So that can be arranged depending where you're at. And of course, if you're in a higher premium area or a lower premium area, that would be affected as well. But overall, what I want them to see is they can make a lot of money in the position for selling, and they can also, like the retention expert, earn up to 3 weeks per year for solid production results. Now, their criteria as an auto fire growth expert, a P&C growth expert, is going to be different than a retention expert's criteria to get up to 3 additional weeks paid vacation. But I want to make sure that they can see that as a possibility. And so overall, the opportunity for this person is going to be somewhere between $18,000 to $24,000 per year of bonuses in addition to their base salary, plus up to 3 weeks of additional paid vacation, again, in addition to their whatever personal time they get. So if they get 10 days or 15 days personal time or paid vacation from you already, I want to see that they can earn that $18,000 to $24,000 per year, plus another, let's say, 3 weeks of additional paid vacation. From an overview, this is the big picture for what I want the opportunity to be worth. If you'd like to see more of this in detail and see how it plays out, you can go to smartbonussystem.com under our section where we have our compensation plans, or specifically go to smartbonussystem.com/wizard and see the tools that we use to create the compensation plans to help agency owners like you drive automatic production to maximize your agency income. If you have any questions, please let us know. As always, look forward to helping you. Thank you.